It can be stressful for rental property owners to manage everything alone, as the smallest mistake can cause loss of money and time. To help out, I'll be sharing a review about DoorLoop and Onsite Property Manager, so you can choose the option that is best for your business. Stick around till the end of the video for something special. Hey there, Galina here, a property management expert with DoorLoop. Just to let you know, I do work for DoorLoop, therefore my opinions may be biased. Onsite Property Manager. Onsite Property Manager is a web platform that aims to help landlords and property managers handle their properties most efficiently. The company wants to achieve this by allowing its clients to automate several tasks, such as calculating property management fees, tracking payment histories, printing bank deposit slips, printing tenant receipts, and more. On-site features. Here are some of the best features offered with Onsite Property Manager. Automatic tasks, online tenant payments, paperless work orders, and moving processes. On-site pricing. Onsite Property Manager has 5 different pricing plans, depending on how many units you're dealing with. It starts at $6.95 per month and goes up to $99.95 per month, although you must pay an additional 22 cents per month for every unit after the 300 unit limit. Now that we have discussed Onsite Property Manager, let's look into DoorLoop to see which option is best suited for your business. DoorLoop. DoorLoop is an all-in-one solution for all your property management needs. Thanks to the intuitive approach to the platform and all of the useful features, you'll be able to deal with all your rental properties much more efficiently, regardless of how many you have. DoorLoop features. Some of the greatest features you can expect from DoorLoop include access to a comprehensive and straightforward tenant portal where they can communicate with you more efficiently. The ability to handle rent payments, fees, screenings, and more from the same place. An excellent maintenance management system that allows you to track any requests you may have across your properties. A wide range of marketing tools allows you to list your vacant units easily. Access to a great customer support team, and much more. DoorLoop pricing. DoorLoop starts at only $49 for up to 20 units. The amount of features offered, coupled with the amazing customer service, is worth much more than that. Which option should you choose? DoorLoop has all the features you'll need to manage your properties, and more. Its goal is to offer an accessible approach to property management, allowing everyone to get their business in order as fast as possible. If you're struggling to deal with all your rental properties and are looking for a solution, you can schedule a free demo today to see what DoorLoop can do for you. Go to www.doorloop.com/go. Remember that something special I mentioned at the beginning of the video? Well, since you watched the whole video, you may just get a special discount. Click the link above for a free demo. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.